Hello everyone, myself Miss Poonam Kasar, lecturer from SSBT Institute of Pharmacy, Bambori, Jalgaon. Today I am here to present my lecture of title Proteins. Let us see learning objectives of today's lecture. By watching this video, you will be able to know detailed information of proteins like that definition of proteins, classification of proteins, biological functions of proteins and properties of proteins. Next, introduction of proteins. The first point is proteins play a central role in biological system. Each protein has a different functionality like the brain cells need a different proteins to function than the liver cells do. Proteins such as collagen and keratin also functions as structural component of cells and complex organism. The functional diversity of proteins arises their chemical makeup. Proteins are highly complex polymers of alpha amino acid made up of 20 different amino acids. Amino acids are formed mainly of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Next, definition of proteins. Proteins are the naturally occurring highly complex compounds of amino acids joined together with peptide linkage. Or other definition of proteins is proteins may be defined as the polymers of amino acids joined together by peptide linkage. Then, what are the meaning of peptide linkage? Peptide linkage are formed by the reaction between carboxylic acid groups of one amino acid and amino groups of other amino acid, forming peptide linkage with loss of one water molecule. If peptide contains two or more than two amino acids linked together by peptide linkage. For example, peptide linkage are as below. These are the example. Let us see. One amino acid can join together other amino acid, but first amino acid having carboxylic group and second amino acid having amine group. This both group removal of water molecule and forming a bond. This bond is called as peptide bond, or this linkage is called as peptide linkage. Next point, properties of proteins. The first point is proteins are insoluble in water. Second, they form viscous solution. Third point, each protein has characteristic order. Fourth, at isoelectric pH, proteins have least solubility. Fifth, at isoelectric pH, proteins are electrical neutral. 6. Proteins can be precipitated by acids, alkali and metal ions. The disruption of structure of proteins affect the functional ability of proteins. Next point is biological functions of proteins. First function is proteins are the most abundant molecule in the cell and they are found in every part of cell. Second, all enzymes are protein in nature, for example, hexokinase. Third point, proteins act as hormones and hence regulates various metabolic process. For example, insulin is responsible for maintaining blood sugar level. The fourth point is protein act as catalyst for biological reaction. They provide energy to the body when taken in diet. Proteins are involved in the transport of compound in the body or across the cell membrane. For example, carrier proteins and hemoglobin. Next point, protein act as a buffer to maintain pH of the cell. For example, plasma proteins. Next point, some blood proteins help to form antibodies which provides resistance to disease, so called as antibodies or defense proteins. For example, IgG and IgM, these are the antibodies. Next and last point, proteins are the constituent of bloods, for example, globulin and albumin. Next, reflections for write biological functions of protein. Write it your own page. Next, classification of proteins. What are the classification of proteins? First is classification based on solubility. Second, classification based on composition. Third, classification on nutritional basis. Fourth, classification based on biological function. And fifth, classification based on shape and conformation. Let us see about first, classification based on solubility. They are classified is as follows. First is albumin. These are soluble in water. For example, egg albumin. Second is globulin. These are soluble in salt solution and insoluble in water. For example, serum globulin. Third is scleroproteins. These are insoluble in water and dilute acid and alkali. For example, keratin. Fourth is protamines and histones. These are soluble in water, dilute acid. For example, salmine. Fifth is protamines. These are soluble in 70% alcohol and insoluble in water. For example, zen. Sixth is glutenins. These are insoluble in water and soluble in dilute acid and alkali. For example, glutenin. Second, classification based on composition is as follows. First is the simple proteins. Simple proteins contain only one amino acid. For example, protamines, histone, albumins and globulins, scleroproteins, epidermal proteins and albumins. Second classification of based on composition is conjugated proteins. This consists of proteins and non-protein group. Is also called as prosthetic group. Having example is nucleoprotein, phosphoproteins, glycoproteins, lipoproteins and metaproteins. Third is derived proteins. Derived proteins containing product obtained on hydrolysis of simple and conjugated proteins and having the high molecular weight, for example, peptone and gelatin. The third classification is classification on the basis of nutritional. They are classified as first is complete proteins. The proteins which contain all essential amino acids in the required quantities after digestion are known as complete proteins. For example, milk proteins and egg proteins. Second, incomplete proteins. The proteins which don't contain all essential amino acids after digestion are known as incomplete proteins. For example, gelatin, jane of maize. Next, fourth is classification on the basis of biological function. They are classified as enzymes, for example, hexokinase. Second, hormones, for example, insulin. Third, structural proteins, for example, keratin. Fourth is buffer protein, for example, plasma protein. Fifth is storage protein, for example, ferritin. Sixth is toxic protein. Seven, antivitamin protein, for example, avidin of egg white. Sixth is contractile protein, for example, myosin, actin. Seventh is transport protein, for example, hemoglobin. Eighth is protective protein or defense protein, for example, immunoglobulin, like that IgM, IgA or antibodies. Next is last classification based on shape or conformation. First is the globular proteins and second is the fibrous proteins. First, globular proteins. These are spherical in shape, for example hemoglobin and albumin. Fibrous protein, these are long fiber and thread like in shape, for example keratin present in hair or nails. Second, myosin present in muscles. Third, collagen which is present in connective tissue. Reflection spot. What are the definition of proteins and classify them with example. Write it on your own page. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video.